Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got the Vintage Coach compact pouch to share with you. And the style number for compact pouches was 9620, and this specific bag is in the color Mahogany Brown, and it was made in the US in 1998. So I'll go ahead and show you the bag now. So it's a crossbody bag with a somewhat thin strap, and here's what the bag looks like. Here's the back and the other side, and then here's what the bottom looks like. I'll go ahead and open the bag now. Here's what the inside looks like. There's no pocket here on the front, so it's a somewhat like medium to small size bag, I would say. And then here's the inside, and then it does have a pocket back here, and the creed is also back here. Since I can't really pick it up on camera, I'll go ahead and insert a photo of it now. So anyway, that's the compact pouch. Hopefully that gives you a pretty good idea of what the bag looks like. It's a pretty simple design, but it still looks classy and elegant. So if you're interested in taking a look at this bag, I'll go ahead and link it below, and I'll also leave a link to our just main Etsy shop page. And I do believe I have this bag in at least one other color, maybe more, I can't remember. I know I have it in British tan in almost like new condition. So if you're interested in this style of bag, I have it in at least one other color. But anyway, I'll leave a direct link to this bag as well. So if you guys want to check it out, you're welcome to. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.